Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jimmy. This is Fare from Scratch, and today we're going to be making my favorite holiday drink, eggnog. Now, before we get this video started, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. That really helps us out a lot. All right, let's get going. We're going to start off by adding whole milk, which is going to act as our base to a bowl. Now we're going to add some spices to this, and what's really nice about homemade eggnog is you'll see these spices kind of floating around in the final product, and it looks really good and it looks like it's homemade. So the first spice we're going to add is ground cloves. We're also going to add some cinnamon. And the last spice we're going to add is actually a pumpkin spice we made for a previous video. We were making pumpkin spice cold brew, and I'll actually throw a link to that video in the description if you're interested in seeing that. And then we're just going to finish it with a little bit of vanilla extract. Then we can just take a spoon, mix this all together, and add it to a saucepan. Now, one thing about this recipe, you do not have to be super precise when you're measuring out your spices, so just kind of eyeball it like I did in this video. So we're going to take that mixture and bring it to a simmer and wait until the end of the next step. Next, we're going to separate a dozen eggs, and we're going to put the yolks in a large mixing bowl. If you have an egg separator, please use it, but I could not find mine, so I had to do it with my hands. Next, we're going to add our sugar, and we're going to mix this for about 10 minutes. Now, this is a really important step, because if you don't mix this well enough, it's going to come out like scrambled eggs. So you have to make it really fine. That way the eggs cook evenly. So this can't look coarse at all when you're done. You should see these little bubbles around the sides, and that's how you know you're done. Like this. When I put this down, you kind of see these little bubbles on the sides. So when that's ready, you're going to turn off your mixture on the oven, let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then you can add it to these egg yolks and just kind of slowly mix it in. So just make sure that you have this mixture sitting out for at least 2 minutes so it can cool down, because if it's too hot and you add it to the egg yolks, it's actually going to make like scrambled eggs, and we don't want scrambled eggs nog. Now when that's mixed, we're just going to add it back to our saucepan. And we need to cook this mixture for about 3 minutes while constantly stirring. You don't want this to boil because again you'll get scrambled eggs, and you want it to stir to mix to cook all the eggs inside this pot. So in a large bowl, we're going to add our mixture and some light cream together. And we're just going to mix these a little bit. And then we're going to top it off with some more of our spices. This time we're going to use some nutmeg. We're going to bring back the pumpkin spice and the vanilla. Lastly, we're going to add our rum. Just use about 2 to 3 cups of white rum. And I'm just going to freeze on my bottle to show you what I mean. Just make sure it says white rum. So just mix that rum in and then you're ready to bottle. Now you should bottle this and put it in the fridge for about 24 hours before you drink it. It's going to be worth the wait, and do not hesitate to add some candy cane dust for a little garnish. Now thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and have a great day.